morning.
We're off again.
But we're in a car.
We are. So I think you know by now what that probably means. That we're going for a little day visit to a motorhome show. And today's visit is Peterborough. Quite sad really, because they've sold all the showground. So this is the last year that the Peterborough show is going to be here, isn't it?
Or is it?
Well, or
because
is it?
a couple of weeks ago we heard that the sailors fell through.
Yeah.
So whether it'll be back on or someone else will jump in there, I would imagine so. But the climate at the minute, you don't know. Really, it might not happen there.
No, I mean, not everybody wants to spend their money, even if they've got it, do they?
No.
Anyway, so that's where we're off to. We've been debating whether we're going to go or not, because the weekend has spoken of rain, hasn't it? Quite solidly.
Yeah.
So I said to Ian, right, I said, I'll book the tickets this morning before we go. I think there must be a cut-off day or a cut-off time, because you could book them yesterday. And when I looked at 20 to 9, it said that the ticket sales had ended. Now, the show opens at 9:30, so I'm just wondering if the online sales ended at either 8 or 8:30. So we can still go, but we're gutted, aren't we?
You've got to pay more money.
We've got to pay more money. Anyway, we're not going to pay that extra bit just because I missed the ticket sales.
No.
So
And it was supposed to be raining all night. It was supposed to be raining this morning. Everywhere's dry as a bone, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, there's a little breeze, but it is quite pleasant. So I did the opposite, you see. Rather than spend my money online, and if it was raining this morning and we'd sort of think, oh, we've got to go anyway because it's raining, to look around stalls and things, I did the opposite. I waited right till the last minute and too late, and now I've got to pay over the odds. Anyway,
You know what you are?
I'm very stupid. Anyway, the sun's trying to come out. We are on time for a change, aren't we?
Absolutely.
So
Well, we're actually early.
we are. So we're actually going to get there, get in the queue of all the other thousands of people who's probably waiting to get in. You never know. And see what there is. There's a couple of bits we want to have a little look at, aren't they?
Yeah.
You know us though, whether we spend our money, wait and see.
There's nothing we actually need as such, is there?
Well, actually, I need toilet rolls.
I'm not going to a show and buy bloody toilet rolls.
And you need toilet blue stuff. But you have your special one, don't you?
I'll order that tonight, just remind me tonight.
As I say, because we need that. Yeah. So we're just going to have a little meander around, aren't we? See what there is.
Yeah.
Don't wanna overthink.
as you can see, what we've just shown you, we did go and spend a bit on different things, didn't we?
Yeah, I bought a couple of bits. Do you know what my favourite thing is though?
What's your favourite thing? Okay.
Reserved for the journey rats.
So it's an A-class shaped motorhome, because that's what we've got. And the guy would print anything on it that you wanted. So yeah, really pleased with that, aren't we? Has a little stand on the back.
Yeah, you just knock that in the ground and then it goes up through there.
So even if we don't use it, if we don't leave site, we still quite like it, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, really liked it. That is our favourite purchase of the day, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
That's why I'm showing you again. Anyway, have you got anything else to say on this one?
No, only that my back is really hurting. Oh. And,
I think.
and I'm going to do something I've never done before.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to put this one out tonight. I'm going to get it edited when I get home. So we might be just gone 5, but we'll.
Yeah, we'll try. But the bonus is that considering it's meant to be a day of rain, it's actually been quite nice, isn't it? A little breeze, not cold. The coat's come off. Don't even need this on.
Very mild.
A t-shirt would have been fine. So yeah, it's good. I'm glad that the Peterborough shows managed to have 3 days of decent weather instead of the rain that they thought they was going to get.
Well, they had one bad day, didn't they? But
yeah. So oh, that's all I say. So. So we thought we would show you the little haul that we've been and got today from the Motorhome show. We'll not bore you too much with it all, but we have got 2 very nice bath towels, or bath sheets really, aren't they? I mean, they
massive,
are
but
massive. And we've got a bit of cotton on that. So yeah, we've got 2 of those. Nice soft ones.
that'll do.
They're not the fast drying ones though, are they?
Yeah. And they're hotel ones, aren't they?
You can never have enough tea towels, can you? So I bought 3 of these as well, black to match my kitchen. You don't need to see any more of them. So then yes, we've got this, which is the Journey Rat sign. Which you're very proud of, aren't you?
I love it. Yeah, it's brilliant.
And then we did join Caravan and Camping Club today, because we have got a few sites that we want to do, don't we, which are their sites.
Yeah.
And yeah, and at the minute, if you join at the show, you get 2 free nights.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
So yeah, we've joined those as well today. And then the tools, which Ian always wants.
Just drill bits, that's all that is.
So drill bits and something else. I don't know where they are. Oh, in there. Which we found very handy for when we was doing the solar, weren't they?
Yeah, so I thought I've already got a set of these, but I've got another one now, so I'll put a set in the motorhome. They're just a little 1/4 inch set.
Yep, you like those, don't you? And guess what? Another brush. We like these as well, don't we?
Yeah.
The only difference was it hasn't got rubber around the outside, but they're handy, aren't they?
Good stick on them. Next time we do the roof.
We bought hose lock. Nothing very interesting, I did say, but and some bigger stickers for
the roof.
for the wires, isn't it? Is that right?
Yeah.
Right. Oh, and one last thing, which was the
Which we always buy.
we do like this. So this is lime vodka. We did have a little taste, didn't we?
Yeah, it's lovely.
So yeah, that's nice if you put it with lemonade or tonic, isn't it? Is that right?
Yep.
Okay, so in your bag we've got lots of paperwork, and of course your
As a bee.
camping, Motorhome Camping booklet.
Never even looked at.
No, you didn't even look at that, and more paperwork, which you also have a look at when you're there, do you, for a start?
There's quite a bit in this bag.
So we've got nude, which is for dogs. That's no good because we haven't got one anymore. We have the veggie stock cubes. We're not vegetarians, but we do use them.
Oh
And,
yeah, that was really nice.
when I put them in the meal the other night, you said to me it tastes different, and
Yeah.
it was them, weren't it? And of course your hand sanitizer gel. I think they must all have stacks of this.
They can't get rid of it.
They
can
must have pallets and pallets. Oh, and another hand sanitizer. We've got some Flower Bomb Eau de Parfum, a little tester. So we'll see what that smells like. Oh, and Spice Bomb. So I think one must be male and one must be female.
Bonus.
Hand sanitizer gel again. They must be having they're getting rid of it. We have a Romy Radford's coaster and foot cream. We normally find something in these bags what we like, don't we, to use. And that's in the bags.
And then we've got it all again.
Because they give you a bag each. So all in all, a few little different things. I think we use the sanitizer gel, but definitely use my veggie cubes.
Yeah.
But that's your favourite.
They're definitely the best thing. So that's it then, isn't it?
Yep, that's it. So, if you like what you see and you want to see more, if you could like, subscribe and ring the bell, would be appreciated. It helps us a lot. And for now, I'm going to say bye.
Adios.
And we'll see you on the next one.